This text 38, very beautiful phrase in Sanskrit. Tripti daya chajivanam namasara rasatmane. Very nice. Tripti daya chajivanam. He gives tripti, means triptidaya means he gives daya, he gives satisfaction or happiness to everyone. The text 40 describes Artilingaya Navase Namontar Bhairatmane Namapunyaya Lokaya Amusmai Viparchase. My dear Lord, Shiva prays, by expanding your transcendental vibrations, you reveal the actual meaning of everything. You're the all-pervading sky within and without you. And you're the ultimate goal of all pious activities, executive both within this material world and beyond it. I therefore offer my respectful obeisances again and again unto you. So this verse is describing that everything is actually understood by sound. Authoritative evidence of transcendental sound vibration, Shabda Brahman, is perfect. The meaning of everything is received through the air by sound vibration. The vibration may be material or spiritual, but without sound vibration no one can understand the meaning of anything. So this sound, or transcendental sound, is Shabda Brahman. And this means that the Vedas represent the Supreme Personality of Godhead.